everyone, how are you doing? How's your week? How has your week been? I'm Mydigitallawyer. So quickly, I just want to say thank you to my subscribers. You all are the realest MVPs. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. And if you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. So I would not like to take much of your time. I just want to tell you there is a new act in Nigeria called the Finance Act. Yes, the Finance Act simply introduced in 2020 and to take effect in from January 2021. So this might be late, but better late than never. I know, right? Stay tuned. Welcome back. I'm Mydigitallawyer and I'm talking about our Finance Act in Nigeria. Finance Act 2020 was implemented in 2020, but it's coming into effect this January, about a week ago, starting from January 1st, 2021. And there are some noticeable changes, few changes I would like to highlight so that you know whichever concerns you, you should take note or share with a friend, okay? First change is for those that earn as low as 30,000 naira per month. That's minimum wage, right? For those that earn that low, you are exempted from paying tax. Yeah. Someone who earns 30,000 naira per month or below that, you are not paying. You shouldn't pay tax. So when you have an employer tell you pay as you go, pay as you earn, rather, where you have your employer say your real salary is 30,000 naira, but your tax will be deducted. Know this, you can tell them. So tell them, Oga, no more tax for us. We don't, unless you want to increase my salary, then I will pay personal income tax. Okay. Second change you should know: commercial airlines have been exempted from paying tax. Henceforth, in 2021, when you're booking your airline and you see all those surcharges, look out for them. Look, just in case you might be overcharged. Because whenever I'm booking my flight, domestic flights, and I'm like, oh, I see tax, I see value added tax to be paid, I'm just so angry. Like, I thought the price was this amount, and then I have to pay this extra amount. It's so annoying. So good news to us: when you're booking your flight, we're exempted from paying value added tax. I think that's great though. One thing you need to know is when you get a property and the landowner is telling you you have to pay tax on the transfer, you can tell them no. The new Finance Act says no. There's no value added tax on property transfer. Even in rent, when you're paying your rent and the landlord tells you you have to pay tax on this amount, the new Finance Act says no. You do not have to pay value added tax on buildings and on property. Yeah, so you own your property, you're transferring title, or you're doing a sale agreement or deed of assignment. No need to add tax on the value of the property. It's not necessary. It's even unlawful. Finance Act says so. Yeah. Tax now. For companies tax, right? Company income tax. The minimum tax has now been reduced from zero. Ordinarily, the minimum tax that was obtainable for 2020 was 0.5%. Now the minimum tax is 0.25%. It's been reduced by 50%, right? For company. So your annual turnover minimum you can pay is 0.25 of your annual turnover, unlike which was obtainable, which was 0.5% for the tax consultants in the house and the mathematicians and accountants. You can do the math, right? You really don't know math so much. Yeah. So next thing I need you to know about the Finance Act: you have unclaimed money. If you have money that you're not using, if you have spare money you're not using, right, you just keep it in an account and it's just in that account dormant, you should better go and make it active. You should go right ahead and make it active right now, because monies that are not in use, monies that are in dormant account or unclaimed dividends will be transferred to an unclaimed fund trust. Yes, unclaimed trust fund rather. So they'll be transferred there, and you can always have access to it, but you have to apply this time around. So why not save yourself the stress? Why keep an account dormant? Contact your stockbroker, contact your banker today and get the account active, or you just close it down, because there's a new thing going on here under the Finance Act. Small and medium companies may no longer have to submit audited accounts, because the FIRS, Federal Inland Revenue Service, may provide other means to do that other than what was obtainable before, which was providing audited accounts. If you wish to, you may still provide, but now it seems like there's an alternative to this. There's another way around this. Alright guys, there's still more. I'm still researching the act, still going through the act. There's still much more to learn, and the more I discover things that would affect you business owners or income earners, I'll let you know. Okay, so stay tuned to this, and you can get a copy of the Finance Act yourself online, right? Read through it, or if you need help with interpretation of these acts or how it affects you, send a mail to me, okay? mydigitallawyer@gmail.com, and I'll be glad to help you. You can also send me a DM on Instagram and Twitter at mydigitallawyer, or call me on the phone for consultation session. Till I come your way again next week, do not forget to stay safe and hit the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to my channel. Bye.